most popular custom ROM, which meant to provide high-performance stock Android experience. This is called a CRDroid Official, based on Android 9.0 Pie, running on Poco phone F1, and in this video, I will be talking about everything about this ROM. Alright, most of you guys are also asking me in the comments which is the best ROM for gaming, and finally I'm thrilled to say why not a CRDroid. Anyway, before going into the features, performance and battery life part, let me quickly tell you how to Android phone. Make sure you're having an unlocked bootloader, a TWRP custom recovery installed, the latest vendor and firmware file needed, as well as the CRDroid and Google Applications package is required for your specific Android phone. Then boot your phone into TWRP, then wipe a system, data, cache, then flash a vendor and firmware, then flash the CRDroid ROM as well as the Google Applications. Once it's done, reboot your phone. Now I also made a dedicated video especially for the Poco phone F1 users. Just go ahead and watch that video by clicking on this card from here. Now let's talk about the features that this ROM offers. This ROM is based on Android 9.0 Pie, which brings a stock look to your smartphone. By default, you will get a stock launcher called a quick launch, and I personally feel like a Pixel launcher does work for me better than the stock launcher. And you can see it's super responsive and works fine without any issues. So take a look at it, and you can simply talk to the Google Assistant by simply clicking on this button from the search box, and swiping to the right from the home screen will take you to the Google cards. Now let me quickly show you the version I'm running. So let's go to settings, about phone, and you can see a CRDroid version is 5.2, and it is also having a latest security patch level. If you take a look at the kernel version, it uses a Droid kernel, which meant to deliver high performance. Like ROM, CRDroid offers a more features. For that, I jump to the settings. You can find an option called a CRDroid settings, and here you can see there are a lot of options available, and in this video I will be talking about some of the features which I personally feels like very amazing. So anyway, starting with on-the-go feature. This option can be accessed from the quick panel settings. Basically, this feature is for those who chats a lot. Enabling this option will turn on the back camera and shows the surroundings what you're doing, which prevents you accidentally falling into the potholes. So if you're one of those peeps, well, this feature alerts you about your surroundings. Next up, a swipe up gesture. From settings, I choose a CRDroid option, and under the navigation tab, I choose a stock navbar settings, then select a swipe up on home screen option. Basically, feature of pill. Once you enable it, and make sure you have ticked all of these options. Now you can end up having a single pill and there is a no back button, and don't worry, you can use a gesture for that. Swiping to the left will take you one step back, and swiping to the right will jump to the previous application. And the good thing about this gesture is that, well, you can simply double tap anywhere on the navigation bar area, which will lock your smartphone. Next up, Droid has a built-in integration tool called a sound search. Basically, it helps to recognize the name of the song, just like a Shazam. And to access this feature, well, go to quick tiles and make sure you add a song search toggle to the main panel, and then simply click on it. Now play the music that you want to find the song or the name of the song, and that's it. You can see it recognized the name of the song. And these are some of the features we're liking on this ROM. Of course, a dark mode and accent colors works fine. And normal things like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, LTE, UBI applications, fingerprints, face unlock works fine without any issues. I also ran a safety net check test, and guess what? The device has passed test. Overall, I would say this ROM offers a lot of features that you need to spend a lot of time to discover more. That being said, now moving on to the performance. When it comes to performance, I would say it's top. I have tried a lot of ROMs, but CRDroid has something special in it which keeps me using it as my daily driver. All of the applications and games opens up super fast. I have never faced any lag. Overall user experience is super smooth. This ROM is known to provide high performance Android experience. When it comes to gaming, oh boy, I'm really surprised to see the way that it handles the big games like PUBG and Asphalt 9 Legends. I have played PUBG in Ultra HDR mode as usual, and the gameplay was super smooth, and sometimes you may face a little bit of a lag, especially while driving your car. Well, that's the issue with the game itself, but CRDroid handles it much better than other ROMs. Overall, I would say this ROM is seriously seriously meant to provide high performance Android experience, and I definitely recommend it for gamers. Lastly, I ran a benchmark apps like Geekbench and Antutu, and these are the scores which I got on my Poco phone F1. And last but not the least, battery. So I would say it's dope, and I get around a 5 hours of screen on time usage, and for normal users they will easily get around a 6 hours of screen on time usage. Again, these statistics are based on my usage, and at the end of the day it may vary per individual. So the bottom line is, yes, I will be sticking with this ROM for a few more weeks, and I really don't have any problem with this ROM. It has all of the things that other ROMs don't offer much, and for gamers I would definitely recommend this ROM for sure. Anyway guys, if in case I have missed anything in this video, you can ask me in the comments down below. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button down there, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and consider clicking on the bell button to get notified. Thanks for watching, CRDroid. Peace.